Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add cover on video in CapCut PC. So if you want to add a custom cover to your video in CapCut PC, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide to make your video stand out with a stylish thumbnail. So you can just open your projects on a CapCut PC, and here you can either select a frame from the video, screenshot a frame from a video to as a cover image, or upload a custom image. So here you can just tap on this one, click on cover, and you'll see this cover design menu on CapCut PC. So here you can create the thumbnail or the cover from scratch, or you can use these templates from CapCut. You can just choose any template that you want. For example, I'm going to just go with this one. You can click on the templates that you want to use, and you can then edit it again with the title of your video. I'm going to just, let's say I'm already edited. Now you can just tap on save. So once you click on save, your video or your project's cover will be saved here. So for additional tips, you need to use bold and readable text for thumbnails and choose a high quality image for a professional look. You can also add a fade-in effect to make the transition smooth. Now your CapCut PC video has a stunning cover. Let me know if you need more editing tips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye!